There was a woman who was missing for months, hadn't been seen, stopped showing up to work. They had presumed that she was gone for good. And then Utah officials found her. And they realized that she kind of wasn't missing at all. 47-year-old woman had been camping. Oh. She had been out there for months and had been surviving on foraged grass and moss. I didn't even know we could survive on such a thing.
Only that?
Well, I don't know. That's in the article here, Will.
Oh.
They believe the woman, who was weak and had lost weight, chose to stay in the Diamond Fork area over the last few months. They couldn't contact her. They had talked to coworkers. They had no idea where she was. They were doing a search, crashed a drone, went to retrieve the crashed drone, and then found the tent and discovered the woman. Here's a quote from, by the way, they brought her to a local hospital for a mental health evaluation. They said, the sheriff said, while many people might choose to not live in the circumstances and conditions this woman did, she did nothing against the law. And in the future, she might choose to return to the same area. Resources were made available to her should she decide to use them.
Wow.
So, really, an interesting turn of events. I mean, that is some next level off-grid situation. Mm-hmm. But it's interesting to see the sheriff say it in that way. Like, hey, if that's how she wants to live, then
right,
so be it.
Yeah, kind of like a nomad life.
It's like, it's about to get philosophical in here, but it's like, when is a person actually missing? Oh, only if they're not where they intend to be.
Sure, yeah.
I don't know. I'm just saying.
I mean, if, you know.
If they're in danger, yeah. If they're out of their,
sure, yeah.
Like, but this one is a weird one because it's like they found her and she was frail, and they were like, I don't know, maybe she needs some help. So like, is there an implication there that she wasn't going to make it? Because in that case, I would say, yeah, you kind of are missing. But if it was she was living exactly the way she wanted,
yeah,
then no, you're not missing at all.
They tried asking her, like, do you want to live this way?
Well, the way that he phrased it at the end there.
Like, yeah, I'm just foraging grass and eating it. Do you want some?
I think I think when they found her, she's a little weaker than that.
I see.
That's my feeling on that. But
I guess she shouldn't be considered missing if she is kind of just living her life and she doesn't need assistance. Right?
Yeah, assistance is a big one in this case. Yeah, because there could be other issues that would lead a person in this direction.
Yeah.
That it might not be the sense that where they're immediately in danger, but where
it's like a slow, gradual decline.
This actually is very complex, actually. A lot of people make decisions that aren't the greatest for them. Anyway, I don't know. At least she's on their radar now. And if she does decide to go back, I guess somebody can go check up on her.
Yeah.
From time to time.